Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to log in into your Viber account, the process is very simple and takes only a few minutes. First, start by opening the Viber app on your phone and make sure your internet connection is stable before you start. Next, and go ahead and click start now and enter your phone number that is linked to your Viber account. Make sure you select the correct country code and type the number correctly. Then you have to give access to your contacts, and then you will be automatically entered in your profile information, and then click done, and you will be logged in into your Viber account this easily. This is how you can log in into your Viber. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.